Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Nishtha Desai. I am student of MK Bhavnagar University, Department of English. We know the tradition of Teachers Day. So in our department we celebrate World Virtual Teachers Day. In that we have to make one video and put it on TED and YouTube and make one quiz. So in the description, I attach my quiz link and my TED video link. So please appear quiz, and so you will get certificate in your mail and watch my TED video. So let's begin with here my presentation about Still I Rise poem written by Maya Angelou. In the poster, you can find that black uh, background. So in that we can find that concept of racism. So in that video we can find in the poem the concept of racism. Here is the roadmap. In this video I am dealing with that about brief introduction about the poet, analysis of the poem, major themes, and then conclusion. Here, Maya Angelou, born on 1928 and died in 2014. Her full name Margaret Annie Johnson. Her profession was she was American poet and memorist, singer, dancer, actress, and well-known civil rights activist. And her famous works are "I Know Why the Cage for Science," an autobiography published on 1969, and "Still I Rise" poem published on 1978, and "Phenomenal Woman" poem published on 1995. Here, let's discuss the poem, analyze the poem, and still I rise. You may write me down in history with your better twist lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still like dust I rise. So in these lines, the poet want to say that if you want to give my false history, if you give my false, you want to share false pride like you about me, so you can do it, but still I will rise like a dust. If we thrown some in the dust, so dust will rise. So like a dust I will rise, and then does my assassinate upset you? Why are you beset with gloom? Cause I was like I have got oil wells plumbing in the living room. So here the speaker confidently challenged those who are bothered by the boldness and self-assurance. Here the oil wells. Oil wells are the metaphor of the rich people. Rich people, rich people has the false pride. So like had a false pride, but she had Maya Angelou has her pride in her eyes, and rich people has the false pride like ointments. Just like moons and like suns with the certainty of tides, just like hopes springing high, still I will rise. So here she compares her resilience to natural and unstoppable force like sun, moon, and the tides. And here she emphasizes about the inevitable challenges and hope for the new pride. And here, did you want to see me broken? Bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulder falling down like a dead rocks, weakened by my soulful threats. Here, she want to say that if you try to broken me, if you try to humiliate me, but I am not broken, I never broken by you, I never put my head to you, I will rise at any cost. And does my haughtiness offend you? Don't you take it awful hard. Suppose I have got gold mines digging in my backyard. So she has a gold mines. Gold mines is here metaphor of her wealth, her pride, and her joy showing insufficient. And here she want to show that her pride is like a gold mines. You may shoot me with your words, you may cut me with your eyes, you may kill me with your hatefulness, but still like the air I will rise. Here she attacks protect the white people. If you want to shoot me with your words, if you cut me with your eyes and hate me, but still like air in the sky, in the environment, I not stop my falling. I not stop my down. I not stop my rise. Does my sexiness upset you? Does it come as a surprise that I dance? I have got diamonds as meeting of my thighs. Now she assessed her sexual confidence and she has trying to femininity and as a racial people. And the diamond metaphor symbolizes the value, power, and self-love. Out of host of history's shame, I rise up from the past that's rooted in pain. I rise. I am lake, ocean, leaping and wide, swelling. I bear in the tide. So, Black Ocean represent the concept of racialism, black people, and here it's the metaphor which conveys the strength of the black people, and here she also want to say that she is unstoppable and momentum, like want to say that I am black ocean but still I rise. And leaving behind nights of terror and fear, I rise into a daybreak that's born grossly clear. I rise, bringing the gift that my ancestor gave. I am a dream and hope of the slave. I rise, I rise, I rise. Here she wants to say that she moves beyond the past sufferings and oppressions and fears, and now she embraces with a new beginning and with her new hope, clarity, and freedom. Ancestors means her past people like black people, and with she has a pride with her ancestors' struggle and what they achieved. Here she wants that to, and she also has that fulfillment of the aspiration to enslave people of that descendants. And here three times he used I rise, I rise. So repetition and reinforce of that I rise is represent the strength of that black people and strength in her voice. And in the one of the movie The Great Gatsby also we can find that the concept of racialism in that movie also we can find the black people are the slave people. So on that type the concept of racialism, feminism in that poem we can find. And here are some themes: resilience and overcoming adversity, also in the American history, empowerment and self confidence. Then racism and historical oppression is the main, and hope and optimism, and feminism and female empowerment. These are the themes of the poem. Here, the quote of the Maya Angelou: You may not control all the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to be reduced by them. So, in conclusion, we can say that this is a powerful poem about the resilience and new confidence and new hope, and through vivid imagery repetition the poem conveys no matter the oppression, hatred, or historical injustice faced, the human spirit that especially marginalized people remains unshakable. So here she wants to challenge with courage and pride of the Black Ocean people. Here are my references. And thank you, and please appear my test, and so you can get a certificate, and if you like my video so please like it. Thank you for with the end.